Welcome to the Diffusion and Cell Membrane Lab. In this three-part series, we will be examining a specific type of passive transport called osmosis. Our objectives are to explain the changes that occur in a cell as a result of diffusion, or in this case, osmosis, and to distinguish between hypertonic and hypotonic solutions. Be sure to read the lab directions and follow your class's safety instructions throughout the lab. First, a little background. Some chemicals can pass through the cell membrane, but others cannot. Not all chemicals can pass through a membrane equally. The cell membrane is like a gatekeeper. It determines what comes in and how much. You can think of the cell membrane a little like a fishing net. The size of the holes in the net allow water and small fish to pass through while catching or restricting the movement of fish of a certain size. As chemicals pass into and out of the cell, they move from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. Cells in a hypertonic solution have solute concentrations lower than the solution that bathes them. This concentration difference causes water to move out of the cell into the surrounding solution. Cells in a hypotonic solution have solute concentrations greater than the solution that bathes them. This concentration difference causes water to move from the solution into the cell. The movement of water into and out of the cell through the cell membrane is called osmosis. Let's take a look at the materials we'll be using in our lab. You're going to need distilled white vinegar, corn syrup, distilled water, 2 eggs, 4 containers, a scale, a slotted spoon, and something to label your containers with. The first thing we're going to do is find the initial mass of our eggs. You'll want to remove the weight of your container from the weight of the egg that you're going to be measuring. You do this in a process called tairing. So place your cup on top of the scale and press the 0 key once. You'll notice that the measuring device will go to 0. Now add your egg. We see that this egg is going to weigh 60 grams. Okay? Be sure to record that. Let's repeat again with our second container, and this container is labeled distilled water. Press the 0. Add your egg. And this egg is going to weigh 58 grams. Okay. All that is left is to add your vinegar. And cover it with another container so that it remains submerged. Now we will wait 24 hours for the acidic vinegar to dissolve the basic eggshell, exposing the underlying membranes. This way we can observe osmosis in action.